together, surprisingly, it turned out really nice, especially considering the green slime that I added in was not the prettiest. The slime turned out really nice, but this wouldn't be extreme slime dares if I wouldn't add in 2 more of my best slimes. So I have this red clear one, and then I also have this orange glossy slime. I love both of them so much, and I decided to mix it all in. And this is when I don't like this slime anymore because I added in like 2 more colors into it, so it's not really that pretty. Now for the second dare, which was again one of the most liked comments, and I cannot believe that you guys are making me do this, but I'm going to be ruining my favorite shirt of the season. I've worn this shirt in so many intros now. It's like my absolute favorite. Take a quick guess. Here is my clothing rack, and this is a shirt. It is this sushi cat sweatshirt that I got from H&M. It's super adorable. And now it is time to destroy this shirt with slime. This is the same slime that I just was mixing, and I'm going to be covering the shirt with slime. I just destroyed my favorite shirt, and I don't think that this is ever going to come off, so I've decided I went ahead this morning and I bought the same shirt as backup because I loved this shirt so much that I could not live without it, so I got another one. The final dare that I'm going to be doing today is making slime in public, and the closest public place to me would be a park. So I'm gonna go there, and I'm hoping that there aren't many people today. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and wear a jacket because it is freezing outside today. These are the items that I'm going to be taking along with me. So I have white Elmer's glue, 2 popsicle sticks. I'm taking 1 extra just in case. Red food coloring, a bowl, and finally I'm also going to be taking along with me my activator. So I'm at the park now, and surprisingly it is busy here, so I'm gonna try to make slime as fast as possible and get it over with. It's also really windy today, so I'm hoping that the audio is fine. Anyway, let's get started and try to do this as fast as possible. This was the awkward part, and I was really questioning myself. There were so many kids out in the park, and I had to knead this slime for a good 5 minutes because it was not coming together. So yeah, it was really awkward, but luckily it turned into slime. So here is the completed slime. It turned out way better than I was expecting. The only downside was I kind of got slime on my jacket, but that's okay. So yeah, here is the completed slime.